Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So as we can see, yesterday I have sent here a scalping signal for the AUDCAD, which actually has failed. As we can see, it's very close to the stop loss, but thankfully those who have joined the free group of Telegram, they were able to avoid it because I have sent here yesterday update on it saying that now close it in 12 pips of loss. I apologize about it, and hopefully we will provide you with a better signal soon. Those who have joined the free group of Telegram, they have seen this warning and they closed it already in 12 pips or loss, actually even less than that, because the market has made a few reversals after that. Meanwhile, USD from the deal of the day on Saturday, actually Sunday, is doing so well and currently running in 28 pips of profit. Let me know, guys, if you have taken these signals and enjoyed the profits. Not to mention, of course, the EURUSD, which has reversed just like 1.7 pips far away from the entry and hit already the take profit level, making more than 70 pips of profit. Pound USD actually, guys, has reversed at the edge of the safe zone. It actually didn't exceed it. That's why I'm telling you always, the edge of the safe zone is not a stop loss because we are still inside of the safe zone. We consider it as a stop loss only, sorry, as a loss signal only if the signal, the candle has actually made a bearish breakout below the safe zone. Only then consider it as a loss signal. Anyway, for that reason, I will consider the Pound USD as a winner, and so far running in about 73 pips of profit. AUDUSD, for example, has been lost. It has already exceeded the safe zone, as we can see right here. Therefore, it's running in loss. USDCAD also has reversed exactly from the sell area, currently running in about 36 pips of profit. USDJPY has somehow closed just few pips, like 2 pips outside of the safe zone. I don't know if you can consider this as a lost one. I think it shouldn't be a lost one, but I don't know. I will just consider it as a winner and say that the USDJPY has made 112 pips of profit. USDCHF has reversed exactly from the given price, and as you can see, running so far in 65 pips of profit. And finally, the gold! The gold, my friends, has reversed. Sorry for shouting. The gold, I'm so excited about the gold signal. It's running so far in 152 pips of profit. Fantastic. I really feel sorry for not seeing a lot of comments about this. I mean, I'm not sure if there is another YouTube channel providing such high quality signals. I'm not sure. I think there is nothing like that. I think maybe I'm the only one who's providing these high quality signals. But again, it's not good to say this about myself, actually. Anyway, let's see now what we can do next in the remaining days of this week. And let's now begin with the Euro USD. So actually, the EURUSD is most likely gonna continue the rise. Let me just now delete the entire old signal, and let's see now what we can do next with the with the Euro USD. So moving now to the daily chart. Now the daily chart, again, my friends, shows us that the market has made indeed a strong bullish breakout movement from that long-term resistance trend line based, of course, on the daily chart. Now that means that the Pound USD, sorry, I keep saying the Pound USD, it's Euro USD. Anyway, sorry, the Euro USD is most likely now gonna continue the rise. So therefore, what will gonna happen now, in my opinion, is that the Euro USD will continue the rise till it reach that level of the resistance. After that, the Euro USD will fall all the way right here to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. That's how usually Forex works. That being said, we are still looking for approximately, let me just make it here the highest level of the resistance. We still have about 45 pips more to go. Actually, even could be more than that. But just for safety, I place it right there. It could actually be here at the highest level of the peak of the resistance for about 70 pips. Anyway, let's see now where exactly we can start buying the Euro USD again. So to find out where, let's just draw here a support trend line, just like that. What I will do next is simply drag the same line right here and just place it all the way right here at the nearest broken level of a resistance trend line and a previous support trend line. That is, of course, what we call the magic of trend lines. You can review that on a video on my channel called The Magic of Trend Lines, Part 1 and Part 2. Now, moving to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the left side, we have to confirm that there was indeed a strong level of a support on the same area where the support trend line matching up along with the current support trend line. Check this out, right here exactly. We can notice that the market has made actually a breakout from that structure. If I draw the structure right here, to show it to you, just like that. So that's a structure which has been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. And as we can see on the left side, we're having here a real level of the support, a real level of the support. Then we had here a fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2. That means that the EURUSD most likely is going to make a bullish reversal after it falls to another, I would say like 20 pips till the market reach that level of a previous resistance. And afterwards, the EURUSD is actually going to continue the rise. Let me just back to the daily chart. Till the market reach, of course, that level of the resistance as we have mentioned earlier. So meaning we're looking for about 90 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a previous support, exactly right there, for about, I would say, 44 pips only of a safe zone. Actually, I need to adjust my entry. I'm not satisfied with it. Therefore, actually, after reviewing this entry, I decided that we have to lower it. Actually, if we check here this level of a key resistance trend line, check this out. This was, of course, a strong key level of a resistance trend line. It became a support trend line for multiple times, and finally here made the bullish breakout from that level. What I will do next, guys, is simply drag the same line here and place it all the way right there. Now check this out. As we can see right here, just to be sure, exactly just like that. Yes, just like this, exactly. Now we can notice that this was, of course, a support trend line which has faced here a fake breakout as a resistance trend line and another fake attempt, or actually a real attempt of a resistance trend line, then immediately been broken out from, which means the EURUSD will most likely fall again right here, respects the same level of that key support trend line instead of this one right here. Therefore, if we look also at the left side, we can notice here that we had also another key support entry. That being said, I'm going to adjust my entry for the EURUSD to be exactly right there at that previous level of a resistance and the previous level of a support trend line. That being said, our target will be 104 pips against 51 pips of a safe zone. Moving now to the pound USD. Let's move fast because we took really long time with the EURUSD. So actually now on the daily chart for the pound USD, we can notice that the market is most likely gonna continue the rise. And as we can see right here, we're having also a broken level of the resistance. Now we can actually assume that the pound USD is gonna make a pullback and fall for about 40 pips, respects that level of a previous resistance, and afterwards is gonna continue the rise. But we need more confirmation on that. Let me just now scroll to the left side to confirm that there was indeed a very strong key support level on that area, as you can see exactly right there. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at that. This was, of course, a very strong key support level exactly right there at 1.28529. So therefore, if we scroll back to the current time, we can notice indeed right here that was, of course, the previous level of a resistance and a strong level of a key support. If we move even to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that clearly right here the market has created already a support number 1. So that means that we have to wait for the market to fall all the way right here to create a second attempt of the resistance. But again, sorry, a support. But again, I doubt if this is going to happen. The bullish movement is quite strong right now on the pound USD. And there is a possibility that the market will continue the rise till it reaches the take profit level. Anyway, we cannot predict that. We have to wait to see if there will be any pullbacks. And actually, to be more safe, I'm going to send you a signal to buy exactly from that level of a support right here, because right here we can see that the market has already made 2 attempts of the support. Therefore, if the pound USD is going to make a pullback, most likely it will reverse exactly on that level. That being said, our entry will be at 1.28576 and the take profit level is going to be the same for about 67 pips, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a previous resistance right here at 1.28151, which means the safe zone ranging for about 42 pips against I would say about 67 pips of profit. Moving now to the AUDUSD. Alright, so AUDUSD, my friends, is going to remain the same because the market has made here a fake breakout from that level of a support right here at 0.66694, which means if the AUDUSD is going to make another pullback for about 24 pips, most likely this time it will be respecting that level of a previous support. It will become here another support as well, and therefore the AUDUSD will most likely continue the rise. Also adding to this that we're having here a resistance trend line, check this out, which has indeed been broken out from from with that bullish breakout movement. Therefore, if the AUDUSD also is gonna make a pullback, it will be retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line to create of course a new support trend line. That being said, AUDUSD signal just remains the same. Moving now to the USDCAD. USDCAD signal, my friends, is gonna actually be a good one. As you can see, it's still reversing and falling down toward our take profit level. It's just like 58 pips far away from it. Now what we can do next, if we look closer, we're having here also a very strong key resistance level, as we can see. That key resistance level cannot be ignored. Also, if we check here the support trend line, as we can see right here, that support trend line, my friends, will most likely also be respected and retested again to create, of course, a new resistance trend line. So therefore, I think it's going to be a good idea to wait for the USDCAD to fall all the way right here, sorry, to rise again all the way back to 1.32840, and from that point we can start selling the USDCAD again if in case you have already missed this entry. Therefore, our new entry will be at 1.32840. Yes, it's correct, and our take profit level will be about 80 pips of profit, and the safe zone, actually the safe zone shouldn't be ranging that much. Let me just adjust it. We don't need this much of actually safe zone. I mean, should be actually just right there, exactly, almost there, till the peak of that previous level of a resistance, exactly right there. Therefore, my friends, our safe zone will be ranging only for 37 pips against 80 pips of profit, or 81 pips of profit. That's everything for this pair. Moving now to the USDCAD, sorry, USDJPY. Sorry about that. That is perfect. I mean, I really feel sorry about these 2 extra pips here, and the market has already exceeded the safe zone. If that happened, I mean, I still consider the signal as a winner because the market has reversed on the edge, I mean, in the area of my safe zone. I mean, if I made it like that, you would say, oh my god, good one, Salah, thank you. If I did it like that, you would say, F you, Salah, no, we didn't like it. I'm just joking, guys. Anyway, let me see now what we can do next with this pair. Let's now delete the entire all signals. And let's see now what we can do next with the USDJPY. Actually, the market is falling. The daily chart shows us right here a very strong bearish movement. The USDJPY most likely now is gonna continue to fall toward the support level right here at 138.774. Now, you might actually tell me, but Stella, we are having here a previous level of a resistance. The problem here is this wick right here at the top. This wick right here actually cancels the idea that the market will reverse on that level of a resistance. Why? Because we are looking for a breakout candle, just like this one right here. We are looking for a breakout candle where the market actually will respect the previous resistance to become a new support. The problem here is that level of a resistance is right here. It has already become as a support, as we can see right here. Let me delete this. So as you can see, this was the resistance level. It has already become as a support for only one single attempt, and then on the second one the market has just made the bearish breakout, which means that level of the resistance is not gonna be respected, and most likely now the USDJPY will continue the fall. So that being said, we have to look for the best level to start selling the USDJPY. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is simply that level of a previous resistance. And to confirm this, let's just now apply the support trend line, as you can see right here. So therefore, we can notice that the market has also made here a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line. Therefore, most likely, my friends, the USDJPY will be respecting that level of a previous support trend line, and also that level of a key resistance is gonna be respected, and afterward the USDJPY will continue the fall. That being said, let's continue selling the USDJPY until it reaches right here the lowest level of a nearest strong key support level to our entry at 139.316, and a safe zone that shouldn't actually be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance. That being said, our safe zone is going to be ranging for about, wait a minute, that's quite a lot. That's way too much. Okay, the edge of the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance. Sorry about that. That being said, my friends, our safe zone is going to be ranging for 62 pips against, let me just select this lowest level of a key support at for 109 pips of profit. Moving now to the USDCHF. which actually I'm not going to give you any signal about it. Why? Because the USDCHF is approaching now the take profit level. It's just like 17 pips far away from it. And now actually, if we look at the daily chart, the USDCHF is actually approaching the lowest level of the support. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not the type of person who can analyze this. It's just like we don't know what will gonna happen next. Is the USDCHF gonna make a pullback? Is it gonna make a breakout? We are not yet sure. And giving you a signal right here on the lowest level of the support with so many attempts is gonna be a pure gamble, and just, I mean, it's gonna be irresponsible to give you a signal in such situation. And I want you guys to learn something from trading. I don't want you guys to just copy the trades and copy the signals and follow them blindly. So those who are following me, they know very well that this is the kind of setup that we usually ignore. Let's wait to see what will the USDCHF, how the USDCHF is gonna be reacting to that level of the support. Therefore, there is no signal on the midweek analysis video for the USDCHF. So I'm gonna actually, I will not delete it. It's okay. Let's now move to the gold. The gold, my friends, the gold, the gold, the gold. Oh my God, indeed the gold. I mean, I want to know in the comments, guys, if you have taken this signal and enjoying these profits, because thankfully, I'm just being humble here as much as I can. I'm just hearing good comments about my analysis on the gold, and there is a lot of traders who actually follow me only because of my gold analysis. Of course, you will barely see any comments, but I have seen actually a lot of feedbacks on Telegram. Actually, I have many audio feedbacks I have received on Telegram from people who are telling me, Stella, your name is big in trading industry. A lot of big traders are following you, copying your gold signals. There are have been some groups which actually waiting your gold signal to copy it. So again, I'm not bragging about myself. I'm just saying here that this gold signal is really good, and I want to know, guys, what do you think about it in the comments. And before that, please don't forget also to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, what can we do next with the gold? I hope I will not mess it up after saying this boring speech about my skills. Maybe the signal now is gonna fail. I hope not. I mean, we're having here inverted head and shoulders has been completed, and most likely now the gold is indeed gonna continue the rise. So we are still looking to buy the pair. So moving now to the 1 hour time frame, and let's try to find the best entries possible. As you can see right here also, we had that level of a broken resistance trend line, which has indeed been respected again. So this was actually a really perfect entry. Now what's next with the gold? Now let me just tell you something. We're having here also a support trend line, as you can see, which has been respected over the time as well. So support trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, and finally number 4. Then in the middle we had here this fake breakout. Now what we can expect next with the gold is to fall again, respects the previous level of a strong key support level. Actually, let me just show it to you. Moving back to the 4 hour time frame. Now right here we're having also a strong attempt of a support level. This was of course a real level of the support, a real level of the support, another real level of the support, and as we can see also right here, the market has indeed respected that level of a support trend line. Now let's keep in mind something. We're having here also a broken level of the resistance trend line. Check this out. Perfect. So right here, that level of a broken resistance trend line with that bullish breakout candle will most likely now be retested again. It's going to be retested again, and the market will fall here again, respects the previous level of a key support right here, also respecting or actually retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. So that being said, our new entry for the gold will be right here, guys, at 1922.58. And of course the safe zone is going to remain just the same, just like that. And of course we will keep also the same take profit level, aiming that level of a resistance for about 317 pips, hopefully gonna be in good profit. So that's everything for the midweek analysis. Again, guys, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive the updates and notifications about these signals which you are receiving on YouTube. Be sure to be part of the Extreme Trader team, and also we are sending here every day one free signal. And of course, if you want to get the most benefits of it, you can join the VIP group to receive up to 7 signals every day. How cool is that? Anyway, guys, Don't forget to contact us on Telegram if you want to reach us. You can find the link provided in the description below of this video or in the first comment pinned under this video as well. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.